Hi, let's dive into a hot topic for service providers today, delivering low latency connectivity services and SLAs. Wouldn't it be great if you could monitor end-to-end measured latency continuously and in real time? Better yet, how about rerouting low latency traffic around problematic links in real time and completely autonomously? It's possible today with low latency routing, a Juniper Paragon use case. We combined an advanced path computation capability with real-time telemetry and active testing on the data plane. You get a fully autonomous, real-time, latency-based routing capability that eliminates manual investigation, accelerates issue resolution, and ultimately delivers a differentiated, more resilient, and more performant service to your high-value customers. Now, let's see how it works. We can see our transport network, which is supporting a mesh of low latency tunnels, and we're looking at the measured delay KPI for each link. That's measured via TWAMP. This link right here is by far the lowest latency in the network. That's why our low latency tunnels are passing through it, because end to end, it's how they get from point A to point B with the minimum possible latency. But what happens if the latency on that link suddenly increases? Are those low latency tunnels still on the lowest latency path? If not, what is the new optimal path? Let's see how Juniper Paragon handles this. On the left, we're seeing real-time data plane latency over time for tunnels using that low latency link. On the right, we're seeing latency per link, as reported by the routers themselves. Here's our low latency link again. See that? Something's causing a rapid increase in latency. It's now about 100 times higher at 20 milliseconds. And it's reflected on the data plane too. Juniper Paragon is already analyzing the situation and identifying what tunnels to reroute and where. Let's back up a few seconds and see this in action. We had 7 tunnels relying on that link before. And now those tunnels are avoiding that link. In just a few seconds, Juniper Paragon has detected, analyzed, and automatically reallocated them to use the new shortest path. No human intervention required. We can confirm by looking at the data plane delay KPI again, and indeed, those end-to-end tunnels have successfully avoided more than a few seconds of high latency. What might have taken hours to fix with traditional tools, we've just done in seconds. No human intervention required, that's all it takes. Deliver differentiated services and SLA guarantees with latency-based routing, a Juniper Paragon automation use case.